that hurt your feet after 2 hours. I'm about to show you the styles that actually work for real life, not just for photos. Look, I've been collecting shoes for years now, and I can tell you that finding the right sneakers is like finding the perfect pair of jeans. When you get it right, everything just clicks. But here's the thing, most women I talk to are stuck wearing uncomfortable sneakers because they think that's just how it is. Or they buy something that looks amazing but falls apart in a month. Today, I'm breaking down the sneaker styles that actually deserve a spot in your closet. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for next time you go shopping. So here's the problem we all face. You walk into a store or you're scrolling online and there are literally hundreds of sneakers staring back at you. White ones, colorful ones, chunky ones, slim ones, and somehow you always end up choosing the wrong pair. Maybe they look perfect, but they give you blisters. Maybe they're super comfortable, but they don't match anything in your wardrobe. Or worse, you spend good money on them and 3 months later, they're falling apart or looking dirty and beat up. I've been there so many times, and I know you have too. The worst part is that sneakers aren't cheap anymore. You're dropping serious money on these things, so you want to make sure you're investing in something that's actually going to work for your lifestyle. Let me start with what I call the foundation of any sneaker collection, and that's the classic low-top canvas sneaker. You know the ones I'm talking about. Simple, clean, usually come in white or black, made from canvas material. These are the sneakers that have been around forever for a good reason. They go with literally everything. I'm talking jeans, dresses, skirts, shorts, joggers, you name it, these sneakers work with it. The beauty of this style is in its simplicity. There's no crazy logo, no wild colors, just a clean silhouette that does its job. Now, when you're shopping for this style, pay attention to the sole. You want something with a bit of cushioning because even though these look thin, the good ones have padding where it counts. The canvas material is great because it's breathable, which means your feet won't get all sweaty on a hot day. And here's a tip that changed my life. Get them in both white and black. White for spring and summer, black for fall and winter. The white ones are perfect when you want that fresh, clean look. Throw them on with a sundress and you're ready for brunch or a day out shopping. The black ones are more forgiving when it comes to dirt, and they look a bit more put together for casual work environments or evening hangouts. The thing about canvas sneakers is they get better with age. Yeah, they might get a little worn looking, but that's part of their charm. They develop character. Just make sure you're cleaning them regularly because while the worn look is cool, the dirty look is not. Next up, we need to talk about the chunky dad sneaker. I know. When these first came back into style, a lot of people were confused. But hear me out. These sneakers are a game changer for comfort and style. The chunky sole isn't just for looks. It actually gives you amazing support and cushioning. If you're someone who's on their feet a lot, this is the style you want to pay attention to. The thick sole absorbs impact way better than flat sneakers, which means less stress on your feet, knees, and back. I started wearing these when I realized my feet were killing me every single day, and the difference was immediate. Now, styling these can feel a little tricky at first because they are bold. They make a statement, but that's actually what makes them so fun. The key is to balance them out with your outfit. If you're wearing something fitted on top, like a tucked-in t-shirt or a crop top, these sneakers look amazing with high-waisted jeans or bike shorts. They create this cool contrast between sleek and chunky that just works. You can also rock them with oversized clothes for that full street-style vibe. Think baggy jeans and an oversized hoodie. When you're shopping for chunky sneakers, look for ones with good arch support built into that thick sole. Not all chunky sneakers are created equal. Some are just thick for the look but don't actually provide support, and those are the ones that'll still leave your feet hurting. Feel the insole before you buy. It should have some give to it, some bounce. Color-wise, you can go crazy with these. This is the style where bold colors and mixed materials actually work. Mesh panels, leather accents, different colored soles, all of that adds to the appeal. But if you want something versatile, stick with neutral tones like white, cream, gray, or black with small pops of color. Now let's move to slip-on sneakers because can we just appreciate how easy these make life? No laces, no fuss, just slide your feet in and go. These are perfect for those mornings when you're running late or when you just can't be bothered with tying shoes. But beyond the convenience, slip-ons have come a long way in terms of style. They're not just lazy day shoes anymore. You can dress them up or down depending on the material and design. The classic canvas slip-ons are great for casual everyday wear. They're lightweight, easy to pack if you're traveling, and they work with so much. Jeans, casual dresses, shorts, you get the idea. Then there are the more elevated versions made from leather or suede. These can actually work in business casual settings depending on your workplace. Pair them with tailored pants and a nice blouse, and you've got an outfit that's comfortable but still looks professional. The key with slip-ons is making sure they actually fit properly. Because there are no laces to adjust the fit, you need to get the sizing right. They should be snug enough that they don't slip off when you walk, but not so tight that you're struggling to get them on. A lot of slip-ons have elastic panels on the sides which help with fit, so look for those. Some also come with padded collars around the ankle opening, which prevents rubbing and blisters. When it comes to styling, slip-ons look best when you can see a bit of ankle, so cropped pants, rolled jeans, or skirts that hit above the ankle are your best friends with this style. It creates a nice, clean line and makes your legs look longer. And if you're worried about them looking too casual, just remember that the rest of your outfit matters. Slip-ons with a leather jacket and nice jeans look completely different from slip-ons with sweatpants. It's all about balance. Let's talk about high-top sneakers next, because these deserve way more love than they get. High tops are not just for athletes or teenagers. They're actually incredibly stylish, and they offer ankle support that low tops just can't match. The higher cut around your ankle provides stability, which is great if you're doing a lot of walking or if you have weak ankles. Style-wise, high tops add an edge to any outfit. They look amazing with skinny jeans tucked in to show off the full sneaker. They also work really well with dresses and skirts for that mixed style look that's feminine but with an athletic twist. One of my favorite ways to wear high tops is with cropped wide leg pants. The contrast between the loose pants and the structured sneaker creates such a cool silhouette. When you're shopping for high tops, pay attention to how the ankle area fits. It should be snug but not cutting off your circulation. You want to be able to move your ankle freely but still feel that support. Some high tops come with extra padding around the ankle opening, which is great for comfort, but can make them feel bulky, so try them on and walk around a bit. The lacing system matters too. Some high tops have a lot of eyelets, which means more time lacing up, but also more customization in terms of fit. Others have fewer eyelets or even zipper closures for convenience. Think about your lifestyle and what works for you. Color and material options with high tops are endless. Canvas versions are light and casual. Leather versions are more durable and can be dressed up a bit more. Suede versions look luxe but require more care. Start with a neutral color like white, black, or gray if this is your first pair of high tops, then branch out into colors or patterns once you know you love the style. Knit sneakers are another style that every woman should have in rotation. These are the ones that look almost like socks with soles. The upper part is made from stretchy knit material that moves with your foot. The reason these are so popular is because they feel like you're wearing nothing at all. Seriously, they're that comfortable. The knit material is super breathable, which makes them perfect for warmer weather or if your feet tend to get hot and sweaty. And here's what I love most about knit sneakers. They look modern and sleek. They have this streamlined appearance that works with athletic wear, but also with casual, everyday outfits. Leggings and a knit sneaker is obviously a classic combo, but try them with cropped jeans and a blazer for a more polished look. The contrast is really cool. When you're shopping for knit sneakers, the sole is what you need to focus on. Since the upper is stretchy and flexible, you need a sole that provides structure and support. Look for ones with cushioned midsoles and good traction on the bottom. The knit upper should feel snug but not tight. It should hug your foot without squeezing. A lot of knit sneakers don't have traditional laces. Instead, they might have a lace system that's more for show, or they might be fully slip-on style. This is great for convenience, but again, sizing becomes really important. Going half a size up or down can make a huge difference in comfort. One thing to keep in mind with knit sneakers is that they're not great for wet weather. That knit material can soak up water, so save these for dry days or keep a backup pair in your car just in case. Platform sneakers need to be on your radar if they aren't already. These are sneakers with a thicker sole that gives you extra height. Now, I'm not talking about extreme platforms that add like 4 inches. I'm talking about subtle platform soles that add maybe an inch or inch and a half. This small amount of extra height can make such a difference in how your outfits look. It elongates your legs without the discomfort of heels. You get that height boost while still having all the comfort and stability of sneakers. Platform sneakers work with everything: jeans, dresses, shorts, skirts. They're especially great with maxi dresses or long skirts because they give you that extra height to keep the hem off the ground. They also look amazing with cropped pants because you can really see the platform sole, which becomes a feature of the outfit. The thick sole also means more cushioning for your feet. Each step feels soft and supported. When shopping for platform sneakers, make sure the platform is even from heel to toe. Some platforms are thicker in the heel, which can throw off your posture and balance. An even platform is way more comfortable for all-day wear. The upper part of platform sneakers can vary a lot. You can find them in canvas, leather, mesh, pretty much any material. My advice is to choose based on when and how you'll wear them most. Canvas for casual everyday, leather for something a bit more durable and versatile. Weight is another factor. Some platform sneakers can feel heavy because of that thick sole, so if possible, hold them in your hand before buying.